Going on, guys? Welcome to today's vlog. So today we have a 2015 Focus ST in here. What we're going to be doing is doing the tail lights and some of the other stuff. So I'll take you around the car and show you what we're doing. Alright, so here's the tail lights taped off, prepped, isopropyl alcohol ready to go, both of them. We are also going to be doing the third brake light there. We are going to do the rear lights, and then I'll take you around front. We're gonna try to do the fog lights. Now I did the mirror, this mirror, and the headlights about a month ago. And they seem to be holding up. Still pretty good. So that's what it's gonna look like in the back. And then I'm gonna try to do these. Now I'm not gonna take out the bezel. I don't want to break anything. I know it's a nightmare to do it, so I'm just gonna tape here and just try to get in there as far as I can. The customer said that that's okay. He knows how big of a pain it is to get those out. But yeah, take you a walk around still. For this is the other light for the headlight, obviously. And then back to this mirror. Sorry about that noise, that's my air conditioner in here. It's a hot one out today. It's humid actually, more or less. Do we get to see like even the dogs panting, right? Yeah. Alright guys, so now that we're all prepped up and ready to go, I'll set you guys up on a tripod and we'll have a little time lapse of me doing taillights and stuff here. Alright, so this is the one that I messed up on, and actually it came out really nice. And then there's this one. Alright, so now we're working on those bottom lights on both sides. And then next, we're gonna bang out that one. And then the fogs. Alright guys, here's the third brake light. Came out really nice. It's hard to see the hex pattern from the lighting in my garage. It's hard to see it in general. There you go. Cut out those holes. And it goes underneath. You get the idea. And then the rear, bottom fogs, those are also in the hex material. Came out wonderful as well.